In this video, we'll be looking at how to manage eBay orders. Your custom orders can be accessed from Sell and then Orders. Here you'll see a list of orders and you can sort them by different statuses. From this drop down here, you can see all the orders, those awaiting payment, dispatch, those that are overdue and dispatch, those that are awaiting express delivery, those that have been paid and dispatched, and those that are awaiting feedback. You can also search by time limit and by a number of different criteria, including by a username. From your list of orders, you can perform a number of actions. By selecting the orders, you can buy postage, add tracking, or mark an order as dispatched. If you print postage labels, this will give you an option to print the order packing slips or address labels for your items. You can also select orders and leave feedback. From each order, there is a number of different options. You can add a tracking number, print the postage label or invoices, print a voucher. By printing a voucher, you can print a voucher which you can put in your packaging, which gives customers a percentage off. You can cancel the order. That can only be done before the order is sent. You can add and edit a note. You can contact the buyer directly, which means you'll send them a message through the messaging system. You can report a buyer for any infringements of eBay rules, or you can archive the order. If you click Print Postage Label, the option to buy a postage label directly through eBay, which you can take to your local post office. By clicking on the Order Details link, you will see information about this order. You can click through to see details of the buyer. You can email the buyer directly using a cloaked email address. You can add tracking details, and you see the details of the product which is being sold. From here you have links to the same options which were on the order list. So as you can see, managing orders within eBay is easy to do. Once you've dispatched your item, you can mark it as dispatched and it will then appear in the dispatched item list. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.